Do you want to make the most of your break by getting informed and unwinding? Welcome to Boss Break, the podcast for bosses on break. With your essential news for entrepreneurship, business, finance, markets, AI and tech developments, etc. And something to unwind with, including segments on recreational topics like culture, arts, wine, travel and more. Take a break boss style with Boss Break. Episode 0, Be the Pilot. The 9th of November, 2023. Our special news segment for the pilot episode is on aviation. Frontier Airlines grew 173% in Phoenix in September. ITA Airways will fly from Milan to London City Airport 3 times daily. Delta Airlines announced that starting June 7 it will resume flights from Salt Lake City to Santa Barbara. Jennifer Homendy, chair of the National Transportation Safety Board, warned a United States Senate panel about a nationwide increase in near accidents between planes at airports. The FAA will hold meetings at 16 airports to come up with plans to identify and reduce safety risks. Wizz Air has achieved record-breaking profits of $428 million, with a 24.6% increase in travelers compared to last year, and is now facing scaling issues. The U.S. Air Force may be looking for a new Area 51 flight operator. The pilot episode's special quote comes from USAF Colonel Walter J. Boyne, Command Pilot Combat Veteran, and former director of the National Air and Space Museum of the Smithsonian Institution and former chairman of the National Aeronautic Association. Colonel Boyne said, "The most important thing in the face of adversity is to keep flying." Our critical news segment begins with markets. North America. The global Dow, 3,980.73, plus 0.14%. Dow Jones, 34,112.27, minus 0.12%. Nasdaq 100, 15,313.24, plus 0.11%. Nasdaq Comp, 13,650.41, plus 0.08%. NYSE International 100, 6,262.16, minus 0.72%. NYSE US 100, 13,147.94, minus 0.03%. Russell 2000, 1,728.40, plus 0.62%. S&P 500, 4,382.78, plus 0.1%. S&P TSX Canada, 19,530.21, minus 0.23%. VIX, 14.48, plus 0.21%. US Dollar Index, 105.72, plus 0.17%. Western Europe. DAX Germany, 15,290.82, plus 0.4%. AEX Netherlands, 745.12, plus 1.43%. CAC 40 France, 7,084.19, plus 0.71%. FTSE 100 Great Britain, 7,429.65, plus 0.38%. IBEX 35 Spain, 9,283.80, plus 0.52%. SMI Switzerland, 10,666.29, plus 0.67%. South America. BovesPA Brazil, 116,270.00, plus 1.6%. Finance. International monetary exchange rates as of November 8, 2023. Euro, EUR 0.937099 per 1 US dollar. British pound, GBP 0.815919 per 1 US dollar. Indian rupee, INR 83.272560 per 1 US dollar. Australian dollar, AUD 1.555071 per 1 US dollar. Canadian dollar, CAD 1.377660 per 1 US dollar. Japanese yen, JPY 150.7277721 per 1 US dollar. Chinese yuan renminbi, CNY 7.278179 per 1 US dollar. Commodities. Energy. WTI crude oil, $75.57, minus 2.33%. Brent crude oil, $79.76, minus 2.27%. Natural gas, $3.14, plus 0.03%. Coinage metals. Metals. Gold, $1,955.80, minus 0.90%. Silver, $22.64, plus 0.20%. Copper, $3.64, minus 1.10%. Agriculture. Agriculture. Corn, 475.00, plus 1.39%. Wheat, 590.00, plus 3.46%. Soybeans, 1,366.75, plus 0.35%. In AI news. Ben Goetzel, CEO of Singularity NET, in regards to AI reaching sovereign singularity said, "I would say now, 3 to 8 years is my take." In business and finance news. Credit card balances in the third quarter have spiked to a record $1.08 trillion US. Now let's unwind with the break portion of Boss Break. A new study of declassified Cold War spy satellite imagery has revealed 396 ancient Roman forts, which had been forgotten to time. A 2,700-year-old Assyrian Lamassu statue from the reign of Sargon II was unearthed again in northern Iraq. The Louvre has acquired a rare gold-ground panel painting by medieval Italian master Cimabue AC, 1280. Titled The Mocking of Christ, which was part of an altarpiece depicting 8 scenes from the Passion of Christ. Black Friday fares are being offered for train and plane. Autumn is a great time to try a decent bottle of Pinot Noir. Duolingo has expanded into music learning and Canva launched its own popular music library. Taylor Swift is now a billionaire. Opera stars soprano Renata Scotto and tenor Graham Clark have passed away. San Francisco Classical Voice Readers has listed Awakenings by Tobias Picker and El Amor de Loin, Love from Afar, by Kaija Sariaho among the best 21st century operas. What is commonly known as the Mozart effect has been in music news again, a 1993 study by Rauscher, Shaw, and Kai published in Nature which reported short-term improvement in spatial reasoning skills after listening to Mozart's Sonata for 2 pianos, K for 48. Our quote of the day. Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. Henry Ford. Thank you for tuning into Boss Break. Enjoy the rest of your break time. Boss Mode awaits. And you are the pilot of your entrepreneurial journey.